Today we are going to be playing the fidget spinner game.
My game.
Kobe's game.
I gotta tell. Sorry guys, I haven't been making a video, but I just never had time, and I keep on forgetting. It's just a really big responsibility for me, and especially since everything's not going out that well.
Okay, so let's play this. Okay. Ready? We only have 5 spins, so let's do this.
Remember, only 15 minutes. You only get 15 minutes.
Why?
Because remember, it's too long.
Oh my.
Remember? And who cares? What?
That was good?
Yeah.
Are you watching Sissy?
Mhm.
No, that's not Maddie, like.
We just
Okay.
started.
Yeah.
Like, we literally just got on it. We were talking for like 50,000 hours.
Whoa, that one went like right to the bottom. Yeah, that was awesome.
Boo, wow, this is really spooky. Let's go in. Just reading something, guys. I'll make a video soon, guys. Hopefully.
No, we don't want it.
It's
No.
summer. It's summer, guys. I mean, like, I have plenty of time.
Okay. I really want that one. Oh, by the way, Jacoby, I spent like
50,000 bucks, I know.
15,000.
No, you didn't.
I did actually.
No, you didn't.
Okay. What the?
What the frick, man? Oh my gosh, it just died, man. They need to have a lot of checkpoints in this. Pet doggy. Doji, I mean. Doji.
That was cool. Almost. Okay. Let's do this.
Almost done.
Come on.